Big news now coming in. NCP leader and NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Delhi today morning. That's the big news coming in. Sharad Pawar meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The meeting lasted for close to 1 hour. The meeting is important, remember, after Uddhav Thackeray also met with the Prime Minister last month. So that's the big news coming in. The reason, of course, behind the meeting, not yet clear, but there have been different deliberations that are going on in the past few weeks. There were references of Prashant Kishore, remember, meeting the opposition parties, trying to get Sharad Pawar as the candidate for the president of the country. Could it also be about different aspects with regard to the state of Maharashtra and its projects? Could it be about a united opposition? Because as of now, many in the opposition parties do believe that Sharad Pawar could be a strong candidate to take on Prime Minister Modi in 2024. So what is the reason that NCP chief Sharad Pawar met Prime Minister Modi in the national capital today? We will try and get you all the latest. Kamlesh Sutar, my colleague, is reporting from Mumbai. Kamlesh, this is very significant. What reasons could you possibly be picking up from your sources that NCP chief Sharad Pawar meets Prime Minister Modi in Delhi today?
Well, there are two reasons that are coming out when we just spoke to some sources in the NCP close to Sharad Pawar. One important reason is the recent formation of the cooperatives ministry. And remember, Modi has always hailed Sharad Pawar and his contribution in the agriculture and cooperative sector. So what we've been officially told is that this meeting is about the newly formed cooperative department in the center, and Sharad Pawar and Prime Minister discussed the nitty-gritties about the department and how help could be extended in that manner. But there are two political reasons also on which this meeting comes on that background. One was Uddhav Thackera's meeting with Prime Minister. Apart from the official meeting last month, Uddhav Thackeray and Prime Minister Narendra Modi had a closed-door meeting for 35 to 40 minutes, and this time Sharad Pawar too has gone on to meet the Prime Minister, and they too have discussed. The meeting went on from 45 minutes to 1 hour. That is what we learned. Also, just yesterday we had the ED attaching properties of NCP leader and former Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. So could this had also been one of the agendas of the meeting? That is what is yet to be ascertained. More details will be awaited, but this meeting, as far as Maharashtra politics is concerned, and even the country's politics is concerned, especially on the backdrop of those meetings conducted by Prashant Kishore with Sharad Pawar and Rahul Gandhi for the upcoming presidential elections, this meeting certainly has a lot of political connotations to it.
Kamlesh, that's what you're telling us is very important, that there are different reports and permutations, combinations that have come in the past, or what could possibly keep Sharad Pawar in the news for now. I also want to ask you an added question. So does this mean that as of now, we must not look in isolation only about this meeting, because both Sharad Pawar and of course the Prime Minister himself are two very senior faces in Indian politics, and when they meet and the meeting lasts for about 2 hours, could it just be about cooperatives like you're telling us, or there could be much more behind the scenes?
Well, certainly when two leaders meet, there is obviously politics on the agenda.
Yes.
You just cannot have these meetings for some official purposes. And Sharad Pawar, who has been in the news recently for all reasons, be it a congregation of all political parties, regional parties, and the presidential election. Prashant Kishore meeting Sharad Pawar, Prashant Kishore, then going on to meet Rahul Gandhi. Some voices saying that voices like Sanjay Raut from the Shiv Sena, for example, saying that we only have a face leader like Sharad Pawar who can be pitched as a national leader against Narendra Modi in the 2024 election. There are also voices that Sharad Pawar should be pitched for the presidential election. All this and the politics in Maharashtra also not in this particular scheme of things. So this meeting, Pooja, is very, very, very important from all the political points of view.
Kamlesh, I request you to stay on with me as well, because remember what our editor Kamlesh Sutar is telling us from Mumbai is very significant. Yes, a meeting did take place between Sharad Pawar, the NCP chief, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It may have well been about the new projects, whether for Maharashtra, and there on your screens now is that exclusive image that has come forth. NCP chief Sharad Pawar with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Look at this image very carefully, because this could be just about two senior leaders meeting for different public projects, for the Ministry of Cooperation that has come, for a different development and infrastructure projects, and mainly about politics. But could this also be a reflection of what's to come? Sharad Pawar, as many within the NCP and even in opposition believe that Sharad Pawar could be the best opposition candidate to take on Narendra Modi, or there could be some other inside talk as well. Kamlesh, as we are speaking, we have the image of Sharad Pawar meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi on our screens here, and I can only imagine in the days to come, with 2024 elections coming in, with of course the presidential elections also lined up, there could be possibly a lot of talks that have happened, and that is why this meeting assumes way more significance, especially with Prashant Kishore having gone around meeting different netas, and like you're telling us, the ED getting involved with the NCP netas and members and attaching their properties.
Well, certainly, and not just one. We have had three NCP leaders just in the recent past who are on the ED radar. Newly joined NCP leader Eknath Khadse, who shifted from the BJP to the Shiv Sena. Eknath Khadse himself, his son-in-law has been arrested by the ED. His wife has been sent a notice. Anil Deshmukh has evaded 3 notices from the ED. Ajit Pawar's Jarandeshwar sugar factory has been attached by the ED. So there have been a series of NCP leaders who have been on the NCP radar. But also, having said that, the bonhomie between Narendra Modi and Sharad Pawar has been known. Both the leaders have never shied away from their admiration for each other, especially Prime Minister Narendra Modi. When he had come to Maharashtra some time back, he had said that he considered Sharad Pawar as his political guru, and even when Sharad Pawar was the Union Agriculture Minister and Narendra Modi was the Gujarat Chief Minister, Narendra Modi used to say that he was the only minister at the center with whom he could go and talk and discuss various development and agricultural agricultural issues in the state. So
yes,
the bonhomie between the two has never been hidden. They've both spoken fondly about
Kamlesh,
each other.
what you're telling us is very significant. One by one, there are different perspectives that are coming forth. So should this image on your screen be seen in isolation of 2 senior leaders of national politics meeting, or could there be much more working behind the scenes, both for Maharashtra and for the country at large? Kamlesh Sutar, thank you so much.